ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What is going on today, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching another video here with me. So in today's video, I already look dirty because I've been working or whatever, but we are going to be talking cars, specifically mine. So first things first, we'll talk about Nipsey. Nipsey is hold on one second. Knock on wood, Nipsey is running good. Nipsey is running very well. After the head gasket, after the thermostat and everything else that I changed, Nipsey is running good. So let's get into that car. Okay, so first thing you might notice is there's no decal. Decal is gone off of Nipsey because I got the windshield replaced. I had a crack that went from like here and went all the way up. So I was like, I need to get that replaced. So I got that replaced. Now we've got a brand new windshield. I changed out this piece right here. As you can see, it's like brand new, no chips. That's a common fail for the E46. You probably saw the video I posted on that. But that's going well. We still got the wheels on it. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do with this right now, but I'll be putting the decal back on, and we'll be doing some more stuff to this car because this car definitely needs a lot more, you know, TLC and time to it. Now for the problem child as of right now, Lauren. I'm not sure if you guys saw, this is actually the fender, but the fender is broken. They sent me a damaged fender, so now I need to send that back. But anywho, I put on these covers and everything that I bought. I have all the parking sensors ready. I have the bumper inside, but I can't put the bumper on until I put the fender on, because the fender covers this piece right here and it mounts up here. That piece was ripped off of the fender, the original fender. Where is it? Right here. That piece was ripped off, so I had to get a new fender. And then I'm also gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna do about this. This piece right here doesn't hold well inside of the filter housing cover, so I need to figure out what I'm gonna do about that. But this car is coming along, as I say in every single video. But let me not hit Nipsey. Cool. So we have the whole interior torn up. The headliner had to come down. I have to redo the headliner because the airbag popped down from right here. That airbag is still good. I got the wrong seat belt for that, so I need to get the right seat belt, which is on order at BMW. Then this one here, the inside here, as you can see, where is it? We've got rivets in here. So since I've got rivets, I'm not trying to deal with this. So what I did was, I don't know if you can see it back there, but I put a resistor in. So I got a couple resistors. Let me show you what they look like. A couple resistors, these right here. They're cheap, they're on eBay, so hopefully they'll turn out the airbag light, because I don't really care about that side, that curtain airbag. But once I do that, I'm thinking about trying to put lights in the headliner when I do it, because I need to resurrect this car brand new, brand new. So we've got that. Like I said, actually I'll go inside. Got the bumper right here. Bumper is, it's not bad. It's gonna need paint. I got the brackets and everything for up here. I ordered the wrong grills for that, so I need to get new ones. But yeah, so I had to pull off the side skirt too. But once I do get the right fender for this car, I will be able to put the bumper on and everything and jack it down. And then I had to pull this out because I needed to get back here. But I'll be able to jack it down, try to start it up. I'm probably gonna start it up before I jack it down. But once I get all the airbag stuff sorted out, that's when I'll clear the codes, start it up, and make sure everything is good. But other than that, this car is, we're almost done. And lastly, Nightmare E36. This car has been getting neglected since I've been dealing with this one. so much, like ridiculously. I've been dealing with this one. But I finally got almost all of the trim. As you can see here, I've got all the trim for the doors. And I'm going to take it to a body shop to get the side skirts all fixed up and everything. As you can see, that's like dented. Get it all fixed up because, like I said, I'm going to be wrapping this car. You guys will find out the color when I do wrap it. Still need to get trim for this right down here. As you can see how dirty it is. I'm gonna get a wing for the back over here. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's the LTR wing or something that I'm gonna get. But yeah, and then interior still needs work, of course. Need to get a racing seat for this. The headliner still needs, you can't really see it. Headliner still needs a lot of work, but as you can see, that part's coming down, so I need to redo that. Yeah, like I said, this car's been getting neglected because of the other one, but it's still drivable. I still drive it every now and then, so it's not all too bad. Then as far as the engine work goes, I'm gonna make sure everything is good with it before I start getting ready to do the turbo setup. Obviously turbo is gonna sit here, right in this area. I'm gonna get a full kit. I'm gonna get some cheap turbo kit to put in this thing because I'm not really trying to, you know, do nothing too serious with it. But yeah, so it's gonna be not bad though. It's gonna be alright. So we'll get to that soon. Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but I don't think those wheels are coming off of Nipsey, so I need to figure out what I'm going to do with these. My initial thought was the Vozen CV3s, obviously 19s in gold, just so I can match the intercooler. But yeah, that car right there looks way too good with those wheels on it, so it's gonna stay on there, and I'm gonna do more suspension work with it too. So we'll see what's gonna happen with this car and the wheels, because I need to get some new ones. This car is gonna be resurrected to something brand new. All right, now that you guys know everything that's going on, you know there will be more to expect on M54 More with all of these cars. And in the works, I'm still thinking about the MK5, so that may happen. I'm not sure, but it's growing on me, so we'll see what I'm gonna do about that. So if you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications, hit that share button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.